Right, good afternoon everyone. Chris again. Nearly grotted myself on one of these guidelines. So yeah, Chris again. And today we're in Kent in the woodland. So there's 5 of us tonight. So yeah, quite a few of us tonight. So we've got the main man Des Catties here. The main man Des Catties there doing the fire. So yeah, he's getting the fire ready. And that's his little setup here. Got a little tarp set up with bug net. I can't find my bug net. I don't know what I've done with it. Des gave me a bug net and I just bloody can't find it. So tonight I've got a little tarp set up. So I've got my cheapy tarp again. Got my new Barker's bed. So it's a new inflatable bed, £49. It's supposed to be really good. Got a snug back jungle blanket tonight, desiccated stove, little jacket in there, possible patch, bog roll, couple of litres of water, my backpack, and my cheapy Tamo tarp. Just over here we've got tree climber cartel Gary. Are you scared, Gary?
I'm hot.
He's done with his tarp.
I'm not scared, Gary, I'm hot, Gary.
You're hot, Gary.
It's a bit warm.
Yeah, it's a bit warm. Yeah, we've just done the Hill of Death. So yeah, he's set up tonight. He's got a bug net up, little tarp. Over here we've got Alex, AW Exploration. I think, is it AW Exploration Ventures? AW Outdoors Adventures. So he's hammocking tonight. Alex, woo! Hey. Yeah, we've been up the pub. Had a good time. And over here we have the Spam Man. I think he's having a little chill out in there. So yeah. So we've got the Spam Man over there, Michael. So yeah. He's in his little hammock tonight. So happy days. All the old feather sticks are getting done. So yeah, nice. So we've got to put my chair together. Yeah, happy days. So there's 3 of us filming tonight, I think. So me, Gary and Des. So yeah, look up Tree Climber Cartel on YouTube, and also Des Catties on YouTube as well. So yeah, got a bit of brandy and coke tonight. And I've got a little present as well, which I said I'd mention. So yeah, a guy called David Fryers, he does pouches. So yeah, Gary bought a couple of pouches off him, or he gave a pouch to Gary to give to me, and we're just going to do a little, not a little review on it, but just to say they're very nice. So yeah, David Fryers, he does some lovely pouches and stuff like that. He does all different sizes, different colours. So yeah, thank you very much, Dave, or David. So yeah, happy days. Nice zips on there, made in the UK as well. So yeah, nice zips as well. So I'm using mine, there's this card. I'm using mine for my coffees and my hot chocolates. So yeah, my little coffee thing. Nice little bag. Lovely. Cheers. Nice one. Right, Randy, be rude not to. See you soon. Right, just sitting around the fire now, chilling out, having a couple of beers. I'm having my brandy and coke, very nice. We've got the Spam Man, we've got Alex. Hi. Greetings and salutations. Got a nice big fire. Tree Climber Cartel. Are you scared, Gary?
Are you scared, Chris?
Me? No, you should be. Are you scared, Des?
I was scared watching your little shot this morning of him up that tree, that birch tree. Yeah, from yesterday. That scared me.
Did it?
Yes. Yeah.
Well, in case Gary fell?
What?
In case he fell?
I'm here now. I'm safe.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
I was just worried that it was going to hurt the tree.
Hurt the tree.
No, don't
Yeah.
hurt him. It's alright.
Oh, don't hurt the tree.
Don't listen. Don't listen.
Yeah.
to them.
Shh. Oh, Gary, you're a tree hugger.
You don't hurt him, mate.
Oh, Chainsaw Charlie over there, look.
You don't hurt him.
No, it was they were damaged birch trees, though, weren't they?
Yeah, they were. They fell through a car bonnet. Yeah,
They run well.
they did. They fell straight through a car bonnet, mate. Made a hole in it,
They run well, unfortunately.
and they had to go. Right, so I've got a Frey Bentos, chili con carne, super noodles, chicken ones. Gonna have a little cook up now on the fire. Oh yes. And then I've got some Steak Stevens sauce to go on there as well, Liberation. Put a bit of flavour into it. Everyone else is cooking, look. As soon as you mention the word cooking, everyone's on it. Are you scared, Gary?
I'm hot. Burning me.
Oh no. Are you scared, Alex?
Terrified.
Yeah.
Can't be you guys, not you and Des. Scares the
No.
life out of me.
Scary, isn't it?
It's very scary. I've done it at the baboon in the morning.
Alright, let's get me pot on.
So we've got what you found.
Goat's cheese and baguette.
Nearly ready.
I think Arsenal were playing that night and I fucking got some beer.
Gary's mate
And then
chorizo.
we went into Oslo.
Oh yeah.
That's a fucking amazing place, Oslo. That's a really little hike up the snow. I need to go back to Norway.
Nice bit of British Army hot chocolate to finish off with. Oh yes. Right people, we've had a really good evening around the fire. And we're going to tuck in now. It's around about 10 o'clock. So a nice early night. See you in the morning, people. Good night. Right people, as you can see by the tarp, a bit of a wet one last night and this morning. So we're packing up underneath our tarps. So I'm going to leave the video here because it is a wet pack up. I'm just going to throw the tarp over my head and walk back down the hill. So thanks for coming along. Nice to see you again, Des.
Right, you off?
No,
Oh, you just...
I'm just putting my stuff away for a wet pack up, eh? So yeah, Gary, nice one mate. Span man over there, he's just getting ready. And Alex as well. So yeah, gonna pack the rest of my shit up underneath the tarp and get out of here. So we're gonna tidy the fire pit up and leave no trace. See you all soon people. Bye now. Raining again.